Samahan niyo ako sa isang araw plus 8 hours ng buhay ko. So today is my GT day. So that would mean I will be in the hospital for 24 hours, specifically from 7 a.m. today to 7 a.m. the next day. But before anything else, of course, umorder ako ng matcha from Chinky Tea. I'm just setting this up, nilagyan ng ice. And guys, it's so good. Tingnan nyo yung reaction ko. OA. Chares. And of course, I had to get breakfast. So I ordered from one of the Silugan places here in Cebu. That's spam plus egg. Kasi need natin kumain as early as now. It's gonna be a long day. Pagkatapos kong kumain, dito naman ay sinamahan ako ng butihin kong kaibigan na si Jake. More on parallel play lang yung ginawa namin dito. He's doing his thing, I'm also doing my thing. Pero eventually, napag-desisyon na namin na kumain na lang sa labas, isang deep fried chicken area.
So we're going to Sokadi, guys.
But here, we are having a conversation about how awkward it is to vlog in the streets. As you can see, di ako sanay na mga ganito. First time ko to mga B.
Matulog Sokadi.
Alam niyo ba guys na in this small fried chicken store, stories were shared. Not just laughs, but pain too. Over low-priced breaded chicken, fried siomai, and sausawan na toyo at siomai sauce, we found our comfort. It wasn't just food. It was where we poured our hearts out about life, about dreams, about, getting through the day. This place became home not because of what we ate, but because of who we were when we were here.
So now we're going to go to a coffee shop just so
Thank you.
get him caffeinated. Kasi masakit na yung ulo niya. So let's go do this.
We're going this song for 3 months already, guys. Ano ba?
Napaka-chaotic namin sa joyride na ito.
Mabuti na lang at yung Starbucks ay malapit lang sa hospital kung saan ako nagtatrabaho, guys. So, ayun siya. Ang walang caffeine. So, tara, let's.
We're at Starbucks. We're gonna get. So, ayan guys. So, we're done ordering. And then, I think the barista is not having a good day. Parang galit siya. Pero I think it's because of this manager. Ayan, yung matcha latte ng friend natin. We're gonna go.
Thank you.
So, he got his matcha fix. Tapos na kasi ako mag-matcha kanina, guys. So, ayun, he got his now. Mas pauwi na kami.
Sorry, sir.
It's okay. We're gonna be back. We're gonna be back to the land of our workplace. Nice ang lighting here.
So good.
Lagi. What's up with off?
Wala ko gold lang. Light rice. Parmesan.
Hindi ba kasaka ba siya?
Parmesan latte.
Parmesan. Parang pizza ba di ay kaluod ano? Alam mo yan, Jugo.
We're actually done buying matcha, pero yung matcha lang niya, di na ako bumili kasi I had one this morning, diba? So, yun, sinamahan ko lang talaga siya. And since malapit lang yung Starbucks, so kung saan kami nag-work, so it's just like around 5 minutes ride lang. And then we're going back na.
Today is going to be Mad Judy. babalik ako ng hospital. Tapos siya is gonna go home. Sana all. So guys, now I'm back sa call room. So this is where I working station. So we're back. We're now on our 24-hour duty. We're gonna do, so tonight, drink muna ako ng water. I'm gonna do rounds muna sa mga patients. So ayan guys, we will start the rounds sa 5th floor and then we're gonna go down. So we're going for fifth for the 5th floor. We're going down to the 4th, the 3rd, and then the 2nd floor. And we can go back to the call room na. So that's what we usually do.
Had to take a nap muna guys to bank energy in case may ER patient na papasok. Good morning guys! Now I'm awake, prepping for early morning endorsement. But first, breakfast muna tayo.
So hi guys, we're done with our duty status. So at 7 a.m. again yesterday, tapos 7 a.m. today. And then now we'll proceed to the previous status. So that's 7 a.m. today to 5 p.m. later. So parang office hours. So, ayan, we're going to go to the dietary because in our hospital where I'm working, free yung food namin. We just go to the dietary. Today's breakfast.
Done breakfast. Now, pabalik na tayo sa office for the early morning endorsement. Actually, isa to sa mga ganap na nag-enjoy ako. Ang saya kasi kasama at kausap ng mga taong to. This made me realize what a blessing it is to be given workmates who makes work immensely bearable. Sa araw-araw kasi pagod ako. At least naman yung company natin hits home, diba? I wish us all that.
I'm going to a coffee shop just beside the hospital to do something.
I had to finish some things today, so I'm finding solace at the coffee shop just beside our hospital. Of course, di mawawala ang matcha fix.
So now we're here at Tightrope Cebu. It's just beside the hospital actually. So malapit lang ako. So we're just gonna do some hospital stuff here. Tapos drink my daily matcha.
Since October is coming, I had to schedule some things for the coming months sa organizer ko. From meetings, to duties, to presentations. Mostly dapat lahat ng ganap kailangan kong mailagay. I do this because it helps me track my time and most importantly, I am able to schedule my rests. Yan talaga yung pinaka-importante for me. I think yun naman talaga gusto natin, diba? Na at least we get to have the time to unwind from all the hustle and bustle.
I finally got my J Nano here in SM City. So, nilaban ko po. So, we're here at the National Bookstore. We're looking for an acro ball na parang refill for our ball pens. Kasi diba, we're always writing. So,
Thank you guys for listening. Please like and follow for more. Till my next vlog,